am Boba Fett. This is the way.
Oh, whew, it is hot in there. What's up, home bartenders? I am Boba Fett. Let's try the Boba Fett cocktail. I mean, it's pretty good. It's essentially a kiwi margarita. You got the orange liqueur, got the tequila, got the lime juice, agave syrup, and we got a muddled kiwi soap. The cocktail caviar, which is basically just some passion fruit syrup with some agar powder, and then you drop it in oil and it makes these little beads. It was a really huge pain in the ass process, but it gives it a cool contrast. I don't know what they're gonna taste like on the bottom. Let's give that a try. I can take it or leave it. You don't really need it. It gives it that color contrast, the Boba Fett kind of color contrast, but it's not adding much in terms of taste. It's kind of a weird texture. I would leave it. Well, we're heading into Halloween, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. Make sure to click this playlist here if you want to see more Halloween cocktails. Make sure to click this playlist here if you want to see more tequila cocktails. We got a bunch of those. All right. We will see you in the next one.